Hi everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures, and right now I am on board the Disney Destiny, and I'm super excited to show you around this inside stateroom number 10015. And after that, we're gonna hop next door into 10017 so you can see what this room looks like when it's made down at night. All right, here's the inside room. Big Hero 6 themed. I absolutely love it. So cool. I love Big Hero 6. Totally geeking out over that. Queen size bed with a stand on each side, and you can see each side has a plug that has the European plug and USB-C ports, and this side has 2 outlets and USB-C ports for charging as well. There's plenty of storage underneath the bed for luggage. The bed is raised, and this queen bed does not split into 2 beds. It is 1 bed. Right here you have a dresser with more storage. Underneath here, you have refrigerator space, a drawer with a hair dryer and a hot iron mat, a hot iron mat. Right here, there's a closet, hangers, a safe, laundry bag, all those things. And I do see a ladder there, which means this room has an upper berth, and this couch also pulls out into a bed, so it can accommodate 4 people. Now let's look at this bathroom. And all of the inside staterooms on board the Disney Destiny, they have a single bathroom. They don't have the traditional split bath design that the other rooms have. So here is your single bathroom. Now let's go and look at what the room looks like next door when it's pulled down and made up for the night. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, I'm a travel advisor. I've owned Pixie Dust Adventures for over 12 years now, and I've been helping people plan their amazing dream vacations on Disney Cruise Line, Adventures by Disney, other cruise lines, and all around the world. So if you would like complimentary concierge planning assistance based on countless hours of personal experience and professional training, look me up. My name is Melissa. You'll find me at pixiedustadventures.com. Use room 10017 next door so you can see what it looks like when it's made up for the night. So this is the nighttime turn down service here. There is no upper berth in this room, so it's not pulled down. If you look at our other video of our deluxe family veranda, you can see what it looks like when the top bed is pulled down out of the ceiling with the ladder. And also in these rooms, Disney always does an amazing job at this, providing privacy for families. They do have the privacy curtain right here, and the TV is over there on the wall inside where the queen bed is. But you can pull this privacy curtain shut, and that gives privacy for maybe a kids area and an adults only area. The only thing is, when you pull that curtain shut, the kids can no longer see the TV, whereas on some of the ships, that TV swivels. I'm going to turn around here, and we saw the refrigerator and the vanity and the single bathroom. In here, it is the same as in the other room. But with these inside rooms, there are upgraded amenities. You get all of the really cool concierge amenities, access to the concierge lounge, priority booking for excursions, for adult dining, and the concierge team, as well as me, when you book through me, to help you out from start to finish. Thanks so much for joining me on this room tour of these inside suites. I hope you found the information useful. Again, my name is Melissa. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think of the rooms. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.